Hey, this is me again. We have a Samsung dryer makes squeaking noise. Let's check this one. All right. So to fix that, so we need to take this screw out, which is already I did. Always unplug it before do any repair. So you need a pair knife. There's one here and one here, so you need to pop it off. Alright, so we unplug the unit. So we just lose these off so we can able to let the top cover back just like that. And there is a 3 screw we need to remove. There's one missing, so I'm gonna put once we're done. That's it. Alrighty. Other side. So there's a door switch right here, so you can unplug the wire, disconnect it, or if you have a space, which I do have right here, so I'm just gonna lift it up and set it to the side. Again, I don't need to take this one off. So also it's kind of tricky, so be careful. So when you try to take this one off, hold it with one hand and push this one off. Most of the time this part gonna break out, so then you need a new one. So in this case I just put it on the side. Alrighty, then these 4 screw need to off. So we're gonna do that next. I can set my camera. This right here with the blower fan. So once we do that, we disconnect this wire sensor. Alrighty, so same thing, just lift it up. Once we do that, so there you go. And let's see. So these all need to be clean. So far there's no issue on those. So, which is I'm thinking that could be a Pulley ruler or something else, we will see. So to remove the drum, which is I wish I can able to show with the video, but there's no way. So we can with one hand pull, so with one left, which is I do, pull the pulley back, and it's give me space to release the belt, so then we can able remove the drum. But just like that, and I will show you. So it's how we need to remove this one. You can see it to the side. So Now we will see what was making that kind of noise. Fan, blower fan is not okay. So the pulley need to be replaced. It's totally worn out. So to remove that, okay, so there's a screw right here, so we need to lose that one. Clockwise. Okay. Yeah, this is something is not right with this guy. All right, so you can see this part already, or on this middle part, it goes inside. Somehow it makes squeaking noise when spinning, when the drum spin. So these ruler are fine. Let me show. And this one needs to be replaced, I believe, or maybe need a clean one. For sure, these two, this one and the other one. So the other one, I believe, just need a clean. So I'll just put some oil on them, clean them, and put it back. If it's if it's worn, I will definitely replace it. Otherwise, this is for sure, this one needs to replace. So stay with me. Alrighty, so let's see the difference. So once it goes to high speed, of course, it make that squeaking noise. And so yeah, that's the difference. So a quick thing, if it's making noise, so few things you need to check: pulley, those rulers, and some case somehow the blower fan is cracked. So when it's cracked, it goes to spin, it make really bad noise. So I'm gonna put these back and be short back to you guys. Alrighty. So this is shaded, there's nothing wrong. I just need to clean it up and put it back. So I'll just put some right here, then some right here. Okay. So once we done this one, alright. And I do. So you can stick it inside and grab it. Okay. So same thing. You can see kind of greasy, and that. You can see this is, yeah, this is the most. You have to do it both end, and still from here. So always pay attention on the middle part. So if it's worn, you know, so that's why make middle to middle make noise. So in this case we good. So there's nothing, no need for any replace for these. Then so this is smooth. Then this was the bad one, so we just replace it. Alrighty, so we're ready now to put everything back reverse on the drum, same way. So so the belt goes around the pulley, and once we lift it up, then we stick it here. Still I'm not able to show you guys, so let me see. So to put back, you know, we lift it of course with one hand, then the belt goes around, and we just pop it right here to the motor on this spot. That's how we can put it back. Alright, I'm gonna pause it. So we put the drum back and already cleaned this one, these two. So same way, so smooth, and we can go back and put the gold cover back. Okay, so I believe I need to pause again the video. Not. So alrighty. So we can lift the drum. We can put it back. So make sure we good. Then so we put all those screw back. So make sure the cap be even with the blower fan disc cover. Then yeah, so I'm gonna put everything back. This is the sensor switch. Then I will show you guys. All right, so we put everything back and we replace this part. So we will test it now. It should be any side cap. Alright, thank you for watching. If this video helped, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you, and see you on next video.